welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Charlotte. The lighting is already annoying me through my glasses. So in today's video, I have a makeup look that is perfect for glasses wearers or sunglasses if you're wearing sunglasses in the summer, because summer's coming up. It's lovely and natural. I have a few tips and tricks on how to keep your makeup in place when wearing glasses, sort of around your nose, and how to stop your mascara from flaking, so stick around for those tips and tricks. Before we get into the video, can I kindly ask that you subscribe to me, please, because I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and that would mean the absolute world to me, just to see 1,000 of you guys on my channel enjoying my videos. So yeah, subscribe and let's just get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a nice little BB cream, because for this makeup look I'm trying to keep it all nice and natural, because usually when I wear glasses I just like to have a nice natural makeup look. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. I might have to just not see what I'm doing. I just want to address, if you can see, a really nasty bruise on my hand with no fake tan. It's because I had last week a colonoscopy and endoscopy. If you're new here, I'm currently going through a diagnosis of possibly inflammatory bowel disease. So I had that and that was successful, and I got the results back and everything's looking okay as of yet. And now I'm just waiting for a small bowel MRI scan, which probably won't be for another few months, because obviously everything with coronavirus at the minute, everything's sort of delayed. I'm just gonna use some of the Collection concealer just to spot conceal, because I have a few pesky spots. I think it's with being so stressed at the minute. I didn't do it on camera, and I should have done, but I primed my face with the new NYX High Glass Face Primer. And then I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer for under my eyes. It's a nice bright concealer, something that you can see through glasses, and it helps to cover up any dark under eyes, which if you wear glasses, you're gonna know this, but sometimes there's like a shadow underneath your eyes. So this will help brighten up the under eyes and stop any shadows looking even darker. To set the concealer, I'm just gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Powder. I'm gonna use this a little bit different to how I usually do it. So I'm actually gonna use a sponge this time, and I'm really gonna pack it on around my nose. So that's gonna help to stop any glass marks on the nose, because sometimes when you have them like sat on your nose, it takes off any of the makeup. And I'm just going to pop some underneath my eyes. Then for bronzer, I have a nice light bronzer, and this is the Marc Jacobs Tantric Bronzer. So how's everyone getting on with self-isolation? Hope everyone's staying safe. I know schools are closed now. I feel like I've been in self-isolation since December, because obviously with my stomach I've been poorly since Christmas last year, so I haven't even been able to leave the house. So I feel like I'm well prepared. I'm used to being at home 24/7 and not leaving the house. And I'm just going to put quite a bit on, because I do like a little bit of bronzer. Oh, I like bronzer. I'm just going to bring that down my neck to try and match my neck. I know my hands don't match my face or my neck. I do need fake tan, but at the minute I'm having a bit of a problem with my skin. TMI. It's a little bit flaky, probably because of my skin condition, so I've got some special cream for that. But I can't really put on any fake tan because it's all on my neck and my arms and my chest. It's just not nice. I'm going to pop a little bit of this bronzer on the tip of my nose and just here and at the top. I'm just trying to avoid where my glasses would usually sit. So just at the top of the bridge, and then just on the bottom and a little bit on the side, just sort of not in the middle where the glasses sit on the face. Then for highlighter, I have the Too Faced Candlelight Glow. I'm just going to pop that on my cheekbones, because this is quite a nice natural highlighter. And I'll pop a little bit on the end of my nose. I'm not going to pop any on the bridge because I think it's just pointless. I'll pop some on my forehead as well. When I keep going I can't stop, so I've done. Usually when I wear glasses I don't tend to put a lot of product on my eyebrows, but I do like to sort of modify them underneath instead of filling them in up top, because I don't know if anyone else feels like this if you wear glasses, but when I fill in all of my eyebrows look thick when I wear glasses. I don't know why that is. It might just be me being weird. But I'm just going to pop it underneath and sort of define underneath a little bit more than what it already is, without putting too much on the top of my eyebrow, because I don't want caterpillars. So what is everyone spending their days doing while in quarantine or self-isolation? I'm quite interested in what everyone's doing to stop being bored and to keep occupied, because all I do is sit and watch YouTube or TikTok or Netflix. And then to finish off to set the brows so they don't move if you keep pushing up your glasses and stuff, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper and just pop a little bit on there. I'm just going to set my eyelids with a little bit of concealer, ready for some eyeshadow. So when I'm wearing glasses or sunglasses, I like to go for a nice natural eyeshadow look. So as a transition shade, I'm using, I've not even mentioned what eyeshadow I'm using. I'm using the NYX Lid Lingerie eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to use this shade here. I'm just going to use that as a transition shade across my eyelids. Then on a more defined brush, I'm going to go into this red shade. It's like a red orangey shade. And I'm just going to focus that on the outside and the crease. And then I'm just going to blend that out with that other brush and any excess left over from the other eyeshadow. And there we go, just trying to keep it nice and natural. And subtle. Maybe not natural, but more subtle. Another tip I like to do when I'm wearing glasses is curl my eyelashes. I do this because if you wear false eyelashes under your glasses, it tends to hit like the lens. So if you curl your eyelashes with an eyelash curler, it gives that nice natural curl. Now I'm not the best, but I'm going to give it a shot. It's a little bit dangerous. I don't know how I'm talking while I'm doing this. Oh, do you tell the difference? Probably not. And then the next tip I like to do is for mascara, is to wear a waterproof mascara. Now this helps if your eyes are irritated or if you're straining your eyes, taking your glasses on and off, and you have watery eyes. This really helps, and it also stops it from flaking and falling down onto your under eye and then smudging. This one is the Collection Fast Stroke Defining Lash Mascara. It's not my favourite. I ran out of my favourite one, I can't remember which one it was. But I feel like this burns my eyes. Like I can feel my eyes like tingling. That's not good, is it? But I do like it. It's very nice and natural, and it helps to stop the flaking. And to finish off for lips, I have something new for you guys. I have the Honey Cosmetics lip kit, and this is I got this for my birthday in the shade Baby Gal, and this is by Imagination. If anybody else watches her on YouTube, I'm obsessed with her. I love her so much. She's my favourite. And I'm just going to line my lips. I already have a little bit of Vaseline on, but that helps the lip liner glide better as well. Another tip of mine is, if you're trying for a natural makeup look, to use Vaseline like at the start when you're starting your makeup, and then when it comes to doing your lips it's sort of set in, and when you apply a lipstick it makes it like not glossy but nice and satin and really, really natural. So that is the finished makeup look, along with tips and tricks for a natural makeup with glasses. If you enjoyed this video, or if any of my little tips and tricks were useful or helped you in any way, then please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to me down below. Please, please, please subscribe. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and that would mean the absolute world to me at the minute. Would really make me feel good. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next week, next Friday, for another video. Bye! I wrote some notes down so I wouldn't forget. Oh, okay. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Oh.